Hi there, it's Thursday, the 8th of June, election day, finally here as millions head to the polls. The FTSE 100 holding steady, unchanged earlier at 7479. Now, I've mentioned online fashion retailer Boohoo twice over the last year and a bit, and the company continues to go from strength to strength. So it's my stock in focus again today. Revenue and profits are accelerating rapidly as more and more people turn to the internet to do their shopping, their fashion shopping as well. Now, this week the company's announced that it's raised £50 million via a share placing to help fund a super automated warehouse as it tries to keep up with growing demand. It also said today that revenue more than doubled in the first 3 months of the year to £120 million. It's upped as well its full year guidance, saying revenue would be around 60% ahead of last year. The previous guidance was 50%. So it really is powering ahead. If you bought this Manchester-based company when I first mentioned it in April last year, well, you'd be sitting on a gain of around 400%. If you missed out then and only bought it when I came back to the stock in September last year, you'd still be looking at a gain of more than 157%. Now, I have the shares and I did recently sell them to take some of the profit, but I still have it in my portfolio. On the fundamentals, the price to earnings ratio of 69 does sound quite high, but this is a company that's in a very strong growth phase. It's doing really well in Europe and benefiting from the Brexit weakened pound. Also, pre-tax profits have increased tenfold from 3 million in 2013 to just over 30 million last year, and today's update increased the outlook considerably. Well, it's becoming one of the biggest companies on the alternative investment market, second only to rival online fashion retailer ASOS, and we all know what happened to that. But go take a look for yourselves and let me know what you think. Finally, big boss time, and US President Donald Trump has stepped in, offering help to resolve a crisis that's been brewing in the Arabian Gulf. Now, this is between some of the most powerful nations in the Arab world. Bahrain, Saudi Arabia, Egypt, the United Arab Emirates all cut ties with tiny state Qatar earlier this week. Now, they've accused the world's largest exporter of natural gas of supporting and financing Islamic terror, and also for being too cozy with regional enemy Iran. Qatar denies the charges, and although gas markets have remained calm for now, any escalation could start to affect shipments and prices. I bet they didn't expect the Donald to be the one stepping in to help make amends, did they? What a world. That's it. Enjoy the election, and I'll see you next week.